Are you looking for a quick, refreshing, nutrient-packed snack? This fruit salad is a perfect blend of flavor and nutrients that will leave you longing for more. So to make this fruit salad, I started with some chopped apple, which is rich in fiber and it's great for digestion. Next is pineapple for that tangy taste, and it's rich in vitamin C, which will help to boost the overall immunity of the body. I also added watermelon, which is a super hydrating fruit that is packed with antioxidants. I also added banana for that natural sweetness and creamy texture. Bananas are rich in potassium for energy. I then went ahead to mix everything together. To take everything to the next level, I also drizzled honey to it for that natural sweetness. I also added peanuts to give an extra crunch to the soft fruit. Next, I went ahead to add milk for that rich creamy taste and mix everything together. This combo isn't just a snack, it's a powerhouse of nutrients in every bite, and it's perfect for breakfast, midday snack, or even for a post-workout treat. Let me know in the comment section if you like your fruit salad to be this creamy and which other fruit you would like to add. Thank you very much for watching. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share, and leave me a comment in the comment section. See you all next time with a more delicious recipe. Until then, please remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.